So, ayan po yung aking anak na vloggerist. Ano ba yung vlog mo?
Let's go inside.
Oh. Outside yan na. Inside here.
Go outside.
Outside, okay. Oh, say hi to your, vlog, to your viewers. Oh, okay. I will come with you. Where are we going?
Outside.
Oh, where are we going? Hindi nakikita yung face mo. Hindi naman hindi naman siya naka-record eh. Naka-record ba yon? Hindi, naka-stop siya. Hey, it's raining. Don't go outside. It's raining. It's raining. Oh. Diba? Kasaway na bata. Hindi nakikita yung dogs. Oh, so, pinapakita niya yung mga dogs daw namin. Oh, galing na vloggerist. Mag-hi talaga yan sila sa vlog. Oh, hi. Oh, sige, Chanti. Say hi daw, Chanti, to his vlog. Oh, yan yung mga doggies. Oh. What? Don't open it. So, di naman nakikita yung face mo. Di naman nakikita. Ay, wag, don't put it there. Madumi, it's dirty.
Is that our light?
Oh, what happened to your eyes? Sige pa cellphone.
Look, for my blood is this the gate.
Ayusin mo naman yung pagsasalita mo. Di na
Look at our gate, Mommy.
naintindihan ng mga viewers mo yung...
Mommy, look at our gate.
Oh, okay. What color?
It's color white.
Huh? Is it color white? Tinan mo nga, it's gray. It's not color white. Grab.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, Dad.